I am out here in Northwest Lakeland, getting ready to show you this beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath home on Catherine. And it is on almost 2 acres of beautiful land. So check out this beautiful side yard. I'm going to give you a more detailed look, but there's no HOA. It is a really nice, quiet, peaceful area out here, but almost 2 acres. Man, that's hard to find in Central Florida. Let's go take a look. Hey, good afternoon. I want to show you 7510 Catherine. This is located in Northwest Lakeland. I wanted to show you a little bit about the all the beautiful trees. There's no HOA. So nice and quiet out here. And you're going to see a really well taken care of home located on about 1 3/4 acres, a little over that. 3-bedroom, 3-bath with some nice updates. Roof has been replaced in 2020, and you'll see there's plenty of parking here, and this is close to shopping, about 5-10 minutes to I-4, to Interstate 4. And so let me just take in here, give you a brief idea of this home. It's got a wood burning fireplace. All the flooring is luxury vinyl plank flooring here. French doors leading out to the backyard. I'll show you that in just a minute. First of all, I'll take you this way. This is going to be to the kitchen area. And you can see they've done some nice painting. There's crown molding. The kitchen has stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, nice cabinetry and tile backsplash. There's a door here that leads to the garage, which I'm not going to show you that just for time's sake. There also is a door that leads to the porch, which I'm going to show you that in just a second. But there's nice lighting in here. And then here you've got your family room. You can really kind of set this up however you'd like. Let me turn around and show this to you. So you can make this your main family room. This could be really like a separate living area, sitting area. Because really your kitchen nook table, your dining table goes in this room or off the kitchen. All right, and then I'm gonna take you on this side where the bedrooms are located. So if we take a right here, this is the master suite. There's closets on the right and left, so double closets. Then swinging around this side, you're gonna see the master bathroom. It's got double sinks. Again, been renovated, granite countertops. There's shelves here for storage. There's a toilet room, and then the shower is right here. And of course, you see they've done some nice quality work on this. Okay, coming back around this way. The second bedroom. In the closet here, and then there's in the hallway is the other bathroom, and then it has a tub shower combination around this side. The tile is original, but it is in really good condition. Another bedroom in the back, closet on the right. Now let me show you this beautiful backyard as we wrap up our tour here. Now this is an under truss porch. You can see that was to the kitchen area. You can see this is a nice size lanai. It's got the really beautiful wood ceilings. I'm gonna step down here to the backyard and just kind of show you how huge this backyard is and how nice it is. You can see your lot line goes all the way to the bushes on the left. And then your neighbor is way back there. And you can see it's just really nice and quiet. Let me give you an idea on this side. You can just see how wide this lot goes. No HOA, so if you have a couple extra vehicles, you want to have family gatherings over here, it'd be a great place to do that. So if you have any more questions about this, I would love to help you with this. This is my real estate partner Russ Rhodes, his listing. So I wanted to give a video tour to give you an idea of just how nice this home is out here on Catherine. If you have any more questions, my cell phone is 863-647 8600. Just remember, whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian.